The easiest way to get rich that Andrew Tate also suggests. You must have met Andrew Tate by now. Andrew Tate is an American British media personality, businessman, and former professional kickboxer. Tate began kickboxing training in 2005 and won his first championship in 2009. Andrew Tate is one of the rich people who has won the World Kickboxing Champion 4 times. He is trying to teach you everything about the current world and money. And for the same reason that he wants to reveal the secrets of the current world, he has been arrested and is now in prison. Andrew Tate has saved many people who were disappointed with themselves and were planning to use drugs or even commit suicide with the hopes he gave and the methods he introduced. Many people have set him as their role model and want to be like him. Now I will introduce to you a way that he thinks is the easiest way to make money that you can use. Content is one of the most powerful tools that anyone can use to make their internet business a success. You can make at least $100 or much more just by creating content on Instagram or Twitter or anywhere else. The question that arises is how to earn money by making posts and stories. You can attract attention to yourself by continuously producing content and increasing your content. When attention is drawn to you, you can make money by getting ads and advertising fees from people who want you to advertise them. You can make a lot of wealth by attracting attention. To be successful in your business, you must use different types of content production. Because over time your content formats become repetitive. Using photo, GIF, audio and video files can be a very good combination. How to create content that makes the user feel close to your business. The better this relationship can be, it can be effective in the success of your business. As you know, famous people are rich, so, according to this issue, you can easily make money by creating content on social media. Be sure to try this method and be patient, and don't be afraid to fail. If you are still afraid of failure, you should definitely watch this video. Stay rich.